smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody, 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 everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so.
Dad, what are you doing?
I was going to make chicken and oyster sauce today. It's a dish that your grandmother showed me how to make. She used to actually own a cafe in Darwin called the Oriental Cafe.
Okay.
So this dish is actually a dish that I like, and I've been cooking it for years and years. So Chloe just wants me to show her how I do it because she actually likes the dish as well. Do you like the dish, Chloe?
Yes.
What's your favourite part of the dish?
The nice sauces and the mix you make with it.
Yeah.
And the special unique flavour.
Oh, that's nice. So basically what I'll start doing first, sharpen the knife up. So basically what I'm going to do first, I'm going to cut the veggies up. So I've got some garlic here and some ginger somewhere. Bit of ginger here. Cut that up. I've got a chicken today from down the road. It's basically no hormones, no growth promoters, and locally grown. Nice. You hungry? You hungry today? Yeah, I'm pretty hungry. We haven't had one of these chicken dishes for ages. Then you also put on the rice. And when I do, sorry, I got carrot in my mouth. When I do the chicken oyster with the celery, even have some of the leaves in it because it gives it a nice flavour as well. Strap the fan on. Some potatoes very roughly. Keep the skin on, heaps more fibre. Chuck them in there. Another thing too, I told Chloe before, always have something underneath your board. A bit of a damp cloth so it doesn't move around as you chop up things. I hate seeing that when people do that. I'll do this ginger now. Take the skin off, chop it up a bit rough. Yeah, so just chop the ginger. Alright, peel the garlic now. 2, 3, 4. If you like a real garlic flavour, I'm going to plant that actually, it's starting to sprout. See that? I should show the, can you show outside our veggie patch stuff? We've got to fill up the soil. Yeah, we want to fill that up with soil and stuff like that. Grow some veggies. Just so we know where all our gear comes from. Innocent and tired of buying stuff from the shops and it's all, you don't know if it's got too many insecticides on it and stuff like that. So we just want to grow basic things like sweet potato, onions, some garlic, you know what I mean? Might have to try ginger though, but since where we live it's pretty dry, you need sort of half tropical kind of weather for that. Okay, so here's a garlic is peeling at top and tail. Some people squash it on the board and stuff like that, but I like to peel it off like this. It's just all part of the process. How we do this chicken and oyster sauce. Not really overly salty or anything like that.
Yeah, it's just like balance, yeah.
Yes, I've got some of that's oyster sauce there and then some soya sauce. So what we'll do, once I cut the chicken up and stuff like that and get the pot on, because I'm going to basically saute the garlic and the onion. Oh, I've got to get some onions. Saute the garlic and the onions, and then I'll add the chicken, then I'll add the soy sauce and oyster sauce and a bit of the old chicken booster. And then just let it sort of boil away. Alright, so let's cut up the garlic a bit more. Rough chop, you know what I mean? It's not like one of them. Cool. Alright, so I'm gonna do some onions. I've got the onions. Top and tail it. Oops. Take off the first layer. So a rough chop and stuff like that, don't have to be too pedantic, how some people just leave too much of one end on and cut it fancily and like, just peel it off. It's very cheap. It's not the end of the world if you leave an extra layer on. Alright, there. Just rough chop. Boom, boom, boom. Happy days. Okay. Right, so if we come over here, I'm just going to start to warm up the pot. Low heat.
That's the rice cooking in there.
Yeah. And what's inside the rice? What else do we call it?
Chinese sausage.
Let's put on this plate here. Alright, don't have to clean it properly because I'm just going to cut the chicken. It's all going in the same pot, so it's not going to be cross-contamination or anything like that. Easy way to cut the chicken up. I've just rinsed it. So easy way to cut chicken up for novice people. There. Hit it. Cut. Pull it apart. There's a neck there. There, hit it again. Down the leg this side. There. Oops. Hit it there. Drumstick there. Wing off. Join there. Normally some chickens don't have a neck. Bang here. And for the bits, I cut the breasty bit. Breast in half. There. This one here. See the bone angle. There. Do the same with the other half. Alright, so that's all the chicken that's cut up there. So I want to start browning the garlic, ginger and veggies. So I use a bit of peanut oil, it's got a high burn point. So chuck it in, pot's been on, so that much there. Put the flame up a bit. Extract her up. I'm using this ABC as well. So, and here's the scissors. And carrot, celery, potatoes. I had a hit, so I'm just going to take the veggies out now. I'll just give the turn that down a bit. Give the chickens a brown. Veggies in there. That's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
A little bit more oil. Put the chicken in. Chuck it in there. Okay, so this is some of the sauce I'm going to use. So, to see the quantities, probably need to show you the quantities, don't you? So I put the soy first. You probably have to watch this because it's like, I don't really measure it that much. So this serving spoon, two of these. This is the oyster sauce. Oyster sauce.
Yep.
Two. About three of that.
Okay.
That one. I don't know. Just won't keep the phone on breaking. That one. It was just a steamer to about three. So about three of each. What a big serving spoon like that. So looking at it, it's probably about tablespoons really. Alright, so I'm going to also add a little bit of sugar. Just cuts the any kind of bitterness, so about 2 tablespoons full. A little bit of pepper, cracked pepper that is, and then water, probably a cup of water. Might add actually another cup. I'll put this there just to wash the shit off. Stop the spoon. And now all we have to do is okay, we'll be back when we finish mixing it. We'll just add that in there and we'll be back. Well done, Carly. Alright, so basically it's come up to the boil again. And I'm just going to pop the lid on there. Just going to pop the lid on there for about half an hour. And then we'll see what it looks like after that. And then it should be ready to eat. Hey Chloe, you hungry?
Yeah, I'm starving.
The only other thing they'll be putting in later is a teaspoon of chicken booster. Okay. I'll stop it now and then we'll just come back when it's ready in about half an hour. Look at the time. Alright, so look at the time now. It's been bubbling away for about half an hour. So look at that. Look at that.
That looks so yum.
So yummy, so what I'll do now, I'll turn it off. So what we're going to do, Chloe, I want to get some herbs actually. It's hot, it'll be really hot. Let's go outside. Get some herbs. A bit of parsley. How's the rabbit going? Do you see the rabbit? Oh.
So pretty out here.
Yeah, put some herbs. I just like a little bit of parsley through it. You like parsley, Chloe?
Yes.
Let's get a bit of parsley. Over there. It's like fresh herbs, so it gives it a nice coloration as well.
So they're the herbs?
Yeah, and we'll get a bit of green onion. Spring onion. So. Yeah, we're going to do a replant on this later on. Let's get a couple bits of that. Because since we got the lump chong, or the Chinese sausage, I'll put that through the rice. And then we've got some lemongrass there, we could do it when we do a Thai green curry later on. Alright, Molly, inside. Molly. Alright, these are the herbs. Let's give them a quick wash. Yeah. Should be pretty good, there's no sand in it and stuff like that. All organic. Cut it up. Nice rough chop. Rough chop. Herbs. Even the stalk, it's all edible, mate. Straight in. Nice. Okay. Alright, let's serve it up. There.
That actually smells really good.
Yeah. And here's the rice. The rice is done now, Chloe, the rice that you put on. See the Chinese sausage? That's what you have to do.
Yum.
I'll have a plate each, yeah?
Yep. Let's serve it up.
Yeah.
So this is a Chinese sausage.
Yeah, so cut it up, it's a little bit hot. Use tongs if you want. On a slight angle, as you do. Slight angle. You like this sausage, don't you, Chloe?
Yeah.
It's got a really nice flavour to it. Alright, so I'll get we'll tray up some of the rice, or plate up the rice. Alright, a bit of rice.
Just normal rice, normal white rice, jasmine rice.
Jasmine rice. This is the rice you cook, Chloe. Actually, you should do a video later on. Some people don't know how to cook rice. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's nice and fluffy. Pedantic. And a bit of Chinese sausage with it on the side. A little bit there. Alright, let's get the chicken. So I'll take one of the plates over to the chicken. You want a drumstick?
Yes, please.
Drumstick. You want a wing or you want the breast
Sure.
bit?
Oh, the breast bit, thanks.
Bit of the breast. Bit of sauce, some potatoes and soya. I'll get some for me, then we'll finish it off with a bit of the parsley, because we like parsley.
Yeah.
It's a chicken, so what I do, because we love our fresh herbs. Fresh herbs, all that. Herbs are nice, yeah. Alright, so let's go and eat. But just
So this is the food. It's all served up. I've got some water too. Sorry about the chickens.
You like the look of it, Chloe? Here.
Let's try it.
Is it still hot?
Mm.
Not meant to do that. What? The hot. told you to let it cool down first.
So I'm going to get the potato with it, and some of the herbs.
And blow it.
Make sure you blow it because it's actually really hot. Still hot. Like, just pause it. Like, click off it.
Alright, this is the chicken and oyster. Look at that, it's got a bit of the Chinese sausage, jasmine rice, bit of herbs on top just to make it look nice. Chloe's about to attempt to eat it again. It's a bit hot.
Mmm.
Too hot, eh?
Mm.
Probably because it's bloody hot here. Yeah, the chicken's going.
So overall, it's actually a really nice meal. I reckon you definitely should cook it. Maybe get your parents cook it or even help them cook it. It's actually really fun and it's really good overall and I'm really happy on how it turned out. So yeah, hopefully it teaches you how to make chicken and oyster sauce. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want.
Because what's the next one we're going to do? You're going to do that fried rice?
So make sure you subscribe so you can see us make some fried rice probably. So yeah, anyways, bye.
Alright, see you later. Bye, Molly. Molly?